today, people from Vantage, spread this to everyone. If you know Pollock1010, he or she is a hacker and he got my friend's account and sell all of her items and make her a nude. So, spread this to everyone, okay? Pollock1010 is a hacker, banner, and something else that you don't know. She sells items if you let him or her know your password. So don't let Pollock1010 know your password because she or he will hack your account and sell all of your items and make you a new. So spread this to everyone, okay?